Hello, my name is Vedant. I am a legal intern with Lexis and Company. Before starting this video, I would like to say please like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I also want to give a disclaimer that this video does not promote or advertise anything about Lexis and Company according to the guidelines provided by the BCI, and these videos are only for educational purposes and for nothing else. So today's topic of the video is how to register a trademark and what is the procedure followed for registration of a trademark, specifically well-known trademark. So the procedure of registration is, before the new trademark rule of 2017 that came into force, the registry had made a list of well-known trademark and uploaded on the website of trademark registry. But after the new rules were introduced in the year 2017 for registration of well-known trademark, the registration has to be done by filing an application online to registered mark as a well-known trademark. These new rules help in determining and declaring a well-known trademark. First, to determine whether the trademark is well-known or not, the registry will consider the following things. First, that the general public has knowledge about the said mark and are able to recognize the alleged well-known mark and the recognition obtained by way of promotion. Second, the duration, extent and geographical area of any use or promotion of the trademark. Third, the record of successful enforcement of the rights in that trademark, in particular the extent to which the trademark has been recognized as a well-known trademark by any court or registrar under that record. Fourth, the number of actual or potential consumers of the goods or services. Fifth, the number of persons involved in the channel of distribution of the goods and services. Sixth, the business circle dealing with the goods and devices to which the trademark is applies. And lastly, seventh, wherein a trademark has been determined to be a well-known trademark in at least one relevant section of the public in India by any court or registrar, the registrar shall consider the trademark as a well-known trademark for registration under the Trademark Act 1999. Section 11 of the Trademark Act 1999 provides protection to a well-known trademark and protection for marks which are registered in good faith. Second thing while understanding the procedure of getting a well-known trademark registered is filing a trademark as well-known trademark in India. According to Rule 124 of the Trademark Rules of 2017, any person can apply for registration of well-known trademark, but there are certain steps which needs to be followed for filing a mark as a well-known trademark. First, for getting mark as a well-known trademark, one need to fill to an application form of TM, application form TMM. This form is known as the application form for well-known trademark. The prescribed fees for as per the first schedule of the rule of this in the form is ₹1 lakh. The application will be filed online through the e-filing services of the trademark made available at the official site of Indian Patent Office, that is www.ipindia.nic.in. Furthermore, there are certain documents which needs to be filed along with the form. Which the documents are: first, statement of case describing the applicant's right in the trademark and describing the applicant's claim that the trademark is a well-known trademark. Second, evidence in support of the applicant's right and claim. Evidence as to use of trademark, any application for registration made or registration obtained, annual sales turnover of the applicant's business based on the subject trademark duly corroborated, evidence as to the number of actual or potential consumers of the goods or services under the trademark needs to be submitted along with the form. Third, details of successful enforcement of rights, if any, relating to the said trademark, in particular extent to which trademark is recognized as well-known trademark by any court in India or registrar of trademark. Fourth, copy of the judgment of any court in India or registrar of trademark if any trademark is determined as well-known trademark. Sixth, the size of the document submitted along with the statement of case as evidence or supporting document should be in the PDF format with resolution 200 into 100 dpi on A4 size paper, and a total size file shall not exceed the limit of 10 MB, that is 10 megabyte. After the submission of the form, the office will consider on the basis of document submitted. It may or may not consider by the registry. If accepted, the said trademark will be added in the list of well-known trademark. If one objects for the inclusion of the said mark in the list of well-known trademark, then they can file an objection to the registry of trademark by stating its reasons for such objection. Copy of such objection will be given to the applicant, and they can file counter statement for such objection within stipulated time. That after seeing both the sides of the party, the final decision will be made. The application mark is included in the list of well-known trademark. The same shall be informed to the applicant. Same shall now also be informed to the trademark journal, and mark shall be included in the list of well-known trademark and will also be available on the website of the trademark registry. So this was all regarding the procedure of how to obtain a well-known trademark or how to register a well-known trademark in India. Some of the famous and known well-known trademark registered in India are Honda, Bajaj, Benz, Benz of Mercedes-Benz, Bisleri, etc. These are some of the few examples of well-known and well-famous trademark registered in India. Do like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.